Break ID number 3054. 2018 Luminance Football. 1-box break. Here's the alphabetical list. Go. The second inception's down to 12. That one's a 3-box. And there you go. Three-color patch, Pat Mahomes to 49. Short print patch Mahomes. Kansas City JGI. Those are automatic. So as soon as the payment comes in through eBay, eBay communicates with our software, so you'd have gotten that email. I can double check it though later. What did it sell for, do you know? Very nice. Josh Rosen, rookie ink auto to 125. That is Arizona. Tenth pick overall. If I can find Arizona. Russell, GR. Boo. Not worthless, but not sexy. 250 points. Make sure you save those, even though they're boring. It goes to whoever has the next card. Whatever sells out next, Daniel. Encased is down to 3. Phoenix 4-box break is down to 6. So, Bo Scarborough. Whoever has Bo's team will get the points also. Bo is with the Cowboys. That's Russell, GR. Last pack. Hey, Sean. Cameron Petway, rookie ink auto. That is to 249. And that is Well, he was signed and waived by the Minnesota Vikings. And that is Mark, P.E. Dan Marino Vintage. All right.